Wheelie Bin Cleaning Mobile Service, Kingscliff, New South Wales. This established mobile business offers flexible hours, independence, and huge potential to expand the current operation. The current owner operates part-time, generating a good turnover for minimal hours, with very high profit margins. The region is experiencing rapid growth, with a new hospital opening in 2024 and the Kings Forest estate now underway. A new owner could easily extend the trading hours, hire more staff, and tap into many more businesses. This turnkey business comes with everything, including a sign-written Mitsubishi Triton ute with lifting platform and a specialised cleaning trailer. This service is highly regarded in Kingscliff, a fast-growing coastal town and tourist destination in the Northern Rivers region.